So I hope ne-grand apho ne-right FX moguls niyazi KZN best of the best. So angifuni ukuchitha isikhathi esiningi. This is gonna be like i-video nje, very short one. Abantu abaningi bangibuza ukuthi wazi kanjani ukwenza ama-deposits to your account, you know, regarding i-broker oyisebenzisayo. So ngizoliwe ngiyishaya nje kancane, but basically into edinga uSkril. So you just go to uSkril wakho. Ngi-advise ukuthi ngisebenzise uSkril. uSkril u-grand mfethu, one of best, because uyashesha, u-efficient, awulibele nje mfethu, kufuna lamakhadi ntontoni nje same time ziyakhala. Yizwa into engisho. So yeah, uSkril wakho firstly into ebalekile ukusetha. You have to know how to set uSkril wakho. uSkril wakho nje ufana no-wallet wakho digital. So ufaka kanjani ke imali kuSkril? Uklikha u-add, uqeda click u-add, then uzothola le tab fana nale, depending ukuthi malini ke ufuna ukuyifaka, but minimum, not saying ukuthi minimum, but ungakwazi ufaka noma malini, even 100 rand, it's fine. But for ama-purposes ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi at least noma 500 noma 1000, yabo, let's just say 500, you know, asengigijima kangaka. Then into yenzayo, because la mina already senginekhadi la already, wena bazofuna uqala uli-add, yizwa leyo nto, bazofuna uqala uli-add lelo khadi, but ke let me go to change it ukuze uzoyibona le nto, yabo. Bazokunikeza kanje, then uklikhe la, select amakhadi la ufuna ukuyenza, which is here, add la, yabo, yabhala ukuthi add card, klikhe khona, uqeda uklik ufaka ama-details. Le nto yenza kanye once off, guys, once off, then from there on continue, then bazoyi-accepta. Ngike ngithi mina at least sebenzisa ikhadi elino-Visa. uMastercard uyahlupha, ngazi why, but silino-Visa. Once you are done lapho, then usuyakwazi ukuqhubeka kule process le, then you say continue. I-CVV leli, you know, ekhadini ngemuva khona le number ewu-3 digits ofanele uyifake, iyona-ke i-CVV le. So klikhe yona, klikhe yona, then after that uklik u-add. Once yathi add, then uzofuna i-confirmation depending on i-bank. Ufuna i-confirmation automatically, then you will see your amount here, simply just like that. Awudingi ukuthi uzuphenikise le nto, simple just like that, guys. But ngizozama ukwenza enye ke ivideo ke etshengisa ama-steps, but for now nje yona into ebalekile le efanele uyi-understand about uSkril. Danko.